If you're looking to grow your wealth in 2026, you're in the right place. Welcome back, and today we're diving into something that could genuinely change your financial future, the 10 best investments for 2026. Now, this isn't just another generic list. This year presents some truly unique opportunities that serious investors simply cannot afford to ignore. We're seeing massive economic shifts, interest rates finally stabilizing after years of turbulence, artificial intelligence reshaping entire industries almost overnight, and global markets repositioning in ways we haven't witnessed in decades. The difference between picking the right investments now versus waiting could be enormous. We're talking potentially life-changing returns over the next several years. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this list was built with you in mind. So make sure you stay until the very end, because every single pick on this list matters, and you won't want to miss number one. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what's actually happening in the market right now, because context is everything when it comes to investing. Heading into 2026, we're seeing a significant shift in macroeconomic conditions. Interest rates after years of aggressive hikes are beginning to stabilize and gradually ease. That's historically great news for growth stocks and equity markets overall. Inflation has cooled considerably, giving consumers and businesses more breathing room. And perhaps most importantly, artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's actively reshaping entire industries, from healthcare to cloud computing to logistics. These three forces combined, easing rates, stabilized inflation, and the AI revolution, are creating a powerful tailwind for specific sectors of the market. Companies positioned at the intersection of technology, innovation, and strong fundamentals are expected to significantly outperform in this environment. So with that foundation set, let's get into the 10 best investments for 2026. Kicking off our list at number 10 is NVIDIA Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA, and honestly, this company needs little introduction. NVIDIA has firmly established itself as the undisputed king of artificial intelligence chips, and that crown shows no signs of slipping anytime soon. Its data center business has exploded in recent years, with demand for its H100 and Blackwell GPU architectures reaching levels that even NVIDIA itself struggled to keep up with. Revenue projections heading into 2026 suggest continued double-digit growth, with analysts forecasting annual revenues potentially surpassing $170 billion. Wall Street remains overwhelmingly bullish, citing NVIDIA's near monopoly on AI training infrastructure as a massive long-term advantage. Now, it does trade at a premium valuation, so price swings are real, and competition from AMD and custom chips from big tech companies are risks worth watching. But for pure AI exposure, NVIDIA remains a powerhouse. Coming in at number 9 is Microsoft Corporation, ticker symbol MSFT, and this one is a true powerhouse that belongs in almost every long-term portfolio. What makes Microsoft so compelling heading into 2026 is its deep integration of artificial intelligence across its entire ecosystem. Through its Azure cloud platform, Microsoft is capturing enormous enterprise demand for AI-powered computing. Its partnership with OpenAI has given it a significant competitive edge, embedding tools like Copilot directly into Office 365 and other enterprise software products. Now, here is what really stands out. Microsoft has delivered consistent earnings growth year after year, backed by a strong dividend history that income investors absolutely love. Its enterprise software dominance continues expanding globally, locking in corporate clients at scale. Azure is growing at an impressive pace, competing directly with Amazon Web Services for cloud supremacy. For investors seeking stability combined with serious growth potential, Microsoft remains a cornerstone holding you simply cannot overlook in 2026. Next up at number 8 is Eli Lilly and Company, ticker LLY, and this one is hard to overlook. The demand for its blockbuster drugs, Mounjaro and Zepbound, continues to surge as millions worldwide seek effective weight loss and diabetes treatments. Analysts project revenues climbing well past $50 billion in the coming years, and Eli Lilly is aggressively expanding manufacturing to meet that demand. The obesity drug market alone is estimated to reach $100 billion by 2030, and Eli Lilly sits right at the center of it. Coming in at number 7 is Alphabet Inc., ticker GOOGL. After navigating a rough patch in digital advertising, Alphabet has roared back with YouTube delivering record ad revenues. Its artificial intelligence model Gemini is rapidly evolving, strengthening Google search and cloud offerings. With advertising markets stabilizing and AI integration deepening across its platforms, Alphabet remains a compelling long-term growth story heading into 2026. Amazon is truly a multi-decade compounder that belongs in serious portfolios. Beyond electric vehicles, Tesla's energy storage business is exploding, with its Megapack products seeing record deployments worldwide. The full self-driving software continues advancing rapidly, inching Tesla closer to a robotaxi future that could completely transform its revenue model. Meanwhile, Tesla keeps expanding its global electric vehicle market share, particularly across Europe and Asia. The combination of energy, autonomy, and vehicles makes Tesla far more than just a car company heading into 2026. At number 5 is Amazon.com Incorporated. Amazon Web Services remains the undisputed leader in cloud computing, generating massive profit margins that fund everything else. Its advertising business has quietly become a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream, growing faster than expected. Add in Amazon's aggressive artificial intelligence infrastructure investments, and you have a company building the backbone of tomorrow's digital economy. Coming in at number 4 is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, and this one is genuinely exciting. Palantir has quietly transformed itself into one of the most critical players in artificial intelligence-powered data analytics, serving both government agencies and commercial enterprises around the world. What makes Palantir stand out is its artificial intelligence platform known as AIP, which allows organizations to deploy large language models directly onto their existing data infrastructure. In 2026, AIP is gaining serious traction, with enterprise clients rapidly expanding their usage. Revenue growth has been accelerating quarter after quarter, and its commercial customer base is expanding at an impressive pace. Now, Palantir does carry a premium valuation, meaning the stock is not cheap by traditional metrics, but investors are paying for high growth potential, a sticky product ecosystem, and a company deeply embedded in both national security and private sector digital transformation. The upside here is substantial. Coming in at number 3, we have Broadcom Incorporated, ticker symbol AVGO, and this one is an absolute powerhouse heading into 2026. Broadcom has quietly become one of the most strategically important semiconductor companies on the planet. Their custom artificial intelligence chips, known as XPUs, are being adopted by major tech giants like Google and Meta to build out their own artificial intelligence infrastructure. This gives Broadcom a unique edge that most investors overlook. Beyond chips, their networking hardware is the backbone of modern data centers, and the integration of their massive VMware acquisition is already generating serious synergies and boosting enterprise software revenue significantly. What makes Broadcom truly special is its financial discipline. The company generates extraordinary free cash flow and has delivered consistent dividend growth year after year, rewarding long-term shareholders handsomely. When the biggest technology companies in the world depend on your solutions to function, that is not just a business advantage, that is a moat. Coming in at number 2 is Meta Platforms Inc., trading under the ticker META, and the transformation this company has undergone is genuinely remarkable. After years of heavy losses in its metaverse division, CEO Mark Zuckerberg declared 2023 the year of efficiency. He slashed costs, reduced headcount, and refocused the business on profitability. The results were extraordinary. Meta's advertising revenue has surged back powerfully, driven by the explosive growth of Reels across Instagram and Facebook. Reels monetization has caught up significantly, adding billions in incremental revenue. Threads, Meta's answer to X, is steadily building its user base and represents a fresh monetization opportunity ahead. Meanwhile, Meta is pouring capital into AI infrastructure, improving ad targeting precision and user engagement across all platforms. Its augmented reality ambitions through Ray-Ban smart glasses are gaining real consumer traction. Analysts project continued earnings expansion through 2026, making Meta a compelling combination of growth, profitability, and innovation at a reasonable valuation. Apple is truly the top pick for investors of every experience level entering 2026. The number one investment for 2026 is Apple Incorporated, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple is not just a technology company anymore. It is a financial powerhouse with an ecosystem that billions of people simply cannot live without. With the rollout of Apple Intelligence, Apple's suite of artificial intelligence features built directly into its devices, we are entering a massive upgrade cycle. Hundreds of millions of iPhone users are expected to upgrade their devices to access these powerful new AI capabilities, driving hardware revenue to new heights. But that is only part of the story. And there you have it, the 10 best investments to consider for 2026. So let's do a quick recap. Coming in at number 10, NVIDIA. Number 9, Microsoft. Number 8, Eli Lilly. Number 7, Alphabet. Number 6, Tesla. Number 5, Amazon. Number 4, Palantir. Number 3, Broadcom. Number 2, Meta Platforms. And sitting at the very top is our number 1 pick, Apple. Now, spreading your money across several of these picks rather than going all in on one could seriously help balance your risk while maximizing your potential reward. Diversification remains one of the smartest strategies any investor can use. However, before we wrap up, an important reminder, nothing in this video is financial advice. Every investor's situation is different. Please do your own research, study each company carefully, and strongly consider speaking with a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Your financial future deserves that level of care and attention. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you in the next one. You just sat through some seriously valuable information, and that alone puts you ahead of most people when it comes to building real, lasting wealth. Knowledge is the foundation, and you are already laying the bricks. So give yourself some credit for showing up and staying informed. Now, if this video brought you value, if it gave you even one new idea or a fresh perspective on where to put your money, do me a quick favor and hit that thumbs up button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to take control of their financial future. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next video packed with top investment opportunities and financial insights.